How to find and sync contacts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can find and sync contacts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to find and sync contacts on Instagram, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to just tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and then make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here in the search box you simply want to type in something similar to contacts, so just go ahead and then type in contacts, and then here you'll find contact syncing, so make sure to tap on that option here. Now in order to sync those contacts, you simply want to turn on this toggle here that says connect contacts, and Instagram will successfully connect your contacts to the Instagram application, and you will be able to find your contacts on Instagram. This way you can find and sync contacts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.